So good morning, my dears. Today important definition: divergence of a vector and curl of a vector. Gradient of vector is computed or Dell. What is formula? I dou f by dou x plus j dou f by dou y plus k dou f by dou z. That is one important definition. Problems of this type questions. Next, divergence of a vector important definition. Problems. This is a type question. Short answers. Curl of a vector. What is divergence of a vector means? If it's selected function here, this is a scalar point function f1i plus f2j plus f3k. So actually what is del formula means I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. This is formula of del. So this is del formula, this is function. Del divergence of f formula, what is del dot f? Curl f means del cross f. Del dot f. Del formula is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z dot. F means what is f1 plus f2j plus f3k. What is dot product means? One condition I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Another value 0. I dot j, I dot k, that is value 0. So I am writing it down. I dot I1. So dou by dou x of f1 plus j dot j1 dou f2 by dou y plus k dot k1. So dou f3 by dou z. So this is formula. Del dot f or divergence of a formula dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. What is f1 means? In this question, f is equal to xy square plus 2x square yz minus 3y z square b. It is comparing to this f is equal to comparing to f1i plus f2j plus f3k. What is f1? xy square. What is f2? J coefficient 2x square yz. What is f3? K coefficient minus 3y into z square. Substitute in this term and you can do it. Partial derivative with respect to x, this side y, this side z. So this is a formula. Another curl of a vector formula. Del cross f is equal to curl f. What? I j k. Del what is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. So you can write down I coefficient dou by dou x, j coefficient dou by dou y, k coefficient dou by dou z. Complete. Next here what is f1i plus f2j plus f3k. I coefficient f1, j coefficient f2, k coefficient f3. So this is equal to I into close it down. This is row, this is all close. AD minus BC. Dou F3 by dou y. Dou F3 by dou y minus dou F2 by dou z. AD minus ABCD. AD minus BC. Next minus J into this one. This is close, this is close. Dou by dou x, dou by dou z, f1 f means dou f3 by dou x. Dou f3 by dou x minus dou f1. Dou f1 by dou z plus last term, this is place on this is k, row column close. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, f1 f2 means AD minus BC. Dou f2 by dou x. Dou f2 by dou x minus dou f1 by dou y. So this is a method. So you can substitute the value f3 term, f2, f1 and partial derivative of them with respect to y or z or x, that is final answer of curl f. So this is a method of definition. And next very important example question. Find the div f and curl f at the point 1 minus 1, 1. First you can find out the divergence f and second one curl f and substitute the point x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1. So this is very important. Gradient f and divergence f and curl f. Unit 2 gradient f problems. Unit 3 this is definition again and formulas also. Introducing the coordinate also. So very important definitions. Next I am doing this problem. This f is given. x y square plus 2x square y z j minus 3y z square will find derivative and term. So f is equal x y square right plus 2x square y z j minus 3y square k. x y square plus 2x square y z j minus 3y z square k. So first question derivative or divergence or blend. So solution first f is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3. Comparing to this f, what happened? f1 is equal to 9% x into y square, f2 is equal to 2x square yz, f3 is equal to minus 3y z square. So this is f is given. You can select f1, f2 and f3. Okay. First one is derivative or delta f. Divergence is equal direct formula. What is dou f1 by dou x, dou f2 by dou y, dou f3 by dou z. So means f1 you can select partial derivative with respect to x, and f2 you can select partial derivative with respect to y, and f3 selected partial derivative with respect to z. Dou f1 by dou x, this is f1. Partial derivative what is with respect to x means y square is constant. So y square is outside. So what happened means dou by dou x into x. Okay. Dou by dou x, f1 what is x y square plus dou by dou y, f2 what is 2x square y z plus dou by dou z of f3 means minus 3y z square. So this is next partial derivative with respect to x means this is y square constant. This is called y square outside. Remaining term dou by dou x of x, that is 1. And this side partial derivative with respect to y. So remaining term constant plus that is outside 2x z outside 2x square z outside dou by dou y of y means 1 minus dou by dou z partial derivative with respect to z means this is constant minus 3y is outside remaining term z square. Z square partial derivative what is dou by dou z means 2z. Formula x power of n partial derivative n into x power of n minus 1. So this is a y square plus 2x square z minus 2 into 6 y into z. So this is a del dot f or divergence f is completed, and one condition is given at the point final measurement of the is point 1 minus 1. So del dot f at the point what is 1 minus 1 1. So substitute values minus 1 whole square plus 2 into 1 whole square into 1 minus 6 into yz minus 1 into 1. 1 plus 2 plus 6 total 9. So this is a method of divergence f. That first given function you can compare it to f equal to f1 plus f2j plus f3k. You can select f1 term, f2 term and f3 term. Next you can apply the formula del dot f. Del dot f or derivative. What is standard formula? Rho f1 by rho x plus rho f2 by rho y plus rho f3 by rho z. f1 you can select and partial derivative with respect to x. f2 you can select partial derivative with respect to y. f3 you can select partial derivative with respect to z. This is completed process, and one condition is given. You can total current transfer at the given point 1. X equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, and z equal to 1. So to the value, this is final answer is divergence f at the point. This is 9. So this is first one is over. A is over. Next B one is find the current f and final answer at the point. So current f or del cross f I j k. Del what is del is equal to I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, or del is equal to summation of I dou by dou x. This shortcut method summation form, this term this type. So this is del term, this is the f term. So this is I j k del cross f. First you can observe the del term. What is I coefficient? Dou by dou x. What is j coefficient? Dou by dou y. What is k coefficient? Dou by dou z. Dou by dou z. Over. Next what is main function? What is I coefficient? X into y square. J coefficient 2x square y into z. K coefficient minus 3y z square. So next in determinant process, I into this line close, this is row, column is closed, A B C D. Dou by dou y of minus 3y z square, formula AD minus BC, AD over minus dou by dou z of 2x square yz, complete. I into this one, AD minus BC plus complete. Actual main formula minus j into, this is closed, dou by dou x of minus 3y z square, AD minus BC, dou by dou z of x y square plus k into last term. J is over dou by dou x of minus 3y z square minus dou by dou z of x y square complete. Next last term plus k into, this is terms is close, rows and column, remaining 4, A, B, C, D, AD minus BC. So dou by dou x of 2x square yz minus dou by dou y of xy square. Final I into partial derivative with respect to what is y, remaining term constant term. So multiple of constant term minus 3z square outside, dou by dou f of y means 1 minus partial derivative with respect to z. What is constant term? 2 into x square into y. This multiple of constant that is outside. 2 into x square into y. Dou by dou z of z means 1. Okay. Minus j into dou by dou x. Partial derivative with respect to x. So in this term, no x comes. So this is constant, this is constant, this is constant. So 0. Minus partial derivative with respect to z. In this term, no z terms, only x and y square. So this is constant term. So this is 0. So next, plus k into partial derivative with respect to x means 2 is constant, y is constant, z is constant, and multiple form 2yz outside. 2yz outside. Partial derivative with respect to x is x square. Dou by dou x of x square means 2x. Like formula in x power of minus 1 minus partial derivative with respect to y. So x is constant, multiple of this term only x. So dou by dou f of y square means 2y. So this is a del cross f process. Next, given point coordinate 1 minus 1 1. I into minus 3 z square means 1 whole square means minus 3 minus 2 into x square. X square means 1. 1 whole square 1. Y means minus 1. Minus minus 1 plus 2. Okay. This is total term 0. Next. Plus k into 2 into y minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 4. So minus 4 minus 2 into 1 2 again minus 1. So minus minus plus 2. So total minus I minus 2k. So actually in this method this slide partial derivative is complete target, but extra is given condition. You can find the point. Total answer you can find the point 1 minus 1 1 substitute. Then cross out the point x equal to 1 y equal to 1 z equal to 1. This is final answer minus I minus 2. So gradient is important definition and problems also essay type question and short answers. And next two very important divergence f and curl f. Same divergence f and curl f also. Third unit also important of this type of formulas and problems. So we practice main definitions. Derivative formulas you can just write the partial method. D by dx of x square means 2x. Dou by dx of x square means 2x. So this is the method of divergence and curl f. Don't neglect. Okay, bye.